Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'll lead you step by step through the ABRSM Theory grades. There are loads of resources available to help you. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets that are available in US letter or A4, and they accompany each step of this series. Also on my website you'll find a page with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also access information about the books that I have available. I've written How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's an exam technique book full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to best make use of the time actually in the exam room on exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com you'll find that it's all there for you there. If you can give me a like, that'd be great. That'd be encouraging to me. I do hope that you're enjoying this series and it's beneficial to you. Please do subscribe to keep updated. There's loads more in store. And so now we're going to continue with the section on transposition in this grade 5 music theory and practice workbook. So if you turn with me to page 15, and this is what I've referred to as section D. So if you turn in your PDF documents to section D, you'll find some reminders there about what we're discussing in this next exercise. So in exercise 2, it's very similar in principle to the exercise 1 we completed in the last video. However, in this instance, we now are asked to transpose the passage an octave higher. So we're going to go higher and we need to apply that to these next few clefs. And so again the principle remains that you relate to middle C as your sort of anchor point. So there's middle C. So at present this is the CBAG below middle C, and so to make this an octave higher, to transpose it an octave higher, we're going to have to go to the G above middle C. And we keep middle C as our reference point so that we don't end up doing too many octaves transposing to the wrong pitch. So if we're moving into treble clef, we'll need a key signature, B flats, E flats, A flats, and a time signature. And then I'm just going to go and put the bar lines in place. I'm just keeping it aligned. In fact, I'm going to put the bar lines in place on all of those just while we're at it. I see that the extract is from Handel's Messiah. We've got a bit of Handel going on here. So here we go. So we need a rest. Now here is middle C in treble clef. And so to go to the G above middle C, we need to now work out C, D, E, F, G. We are here, and there's our starting point. And so from this point on, we can just work out the intervals. So we need to go down 1, 3, a fifth, which will take us to middle C. This is the C below middle C, and so an octave higher will take us actually to middle C, and so we know that we're correct here. Then we want 2 next door notes for D, there we go. Step up again. Back down a third will take us back to middle C. Up a 1, 3, 4th, 1, 3, 4th to the F. Tie that. Down a step, back up a step, back up a step, back up a step, and if you notice we should be right back where we started, and we are, so that's correct. Down a third, and then up a 4th, takes us to the A, and that's that. So if you just keep relating to middle C and watch out for a few little anchor points just to double check yourself, then you can't go far wrong. Just some stems. That's all the thinking done for this one here. all the other bits and bobs now, so we just need to say allegro, really, and that's that. So now, although we could perhaps use this to help us just as a double check, we will keep referring back to the original just in case there's a mistake here. We don't want to translate that mistake in each of the other examples, so we'll just always keep referring back to the original. So we want the key signature, B flats, E flats, A flats, time signature, rest, and we're ready to go. So we need to find the G above middle C. Here is middle C now. So C, E, G takes us to this top line. That's correct. And then now we need to go down a fifth, 1, 3, 5. There's our middle C again, which is correct. Next door note, up a step, down a third, should take us back to middle C, which it does, that's correct. Up a fourth, 1, 3, 4th. Repeat that note, it's going to have a tie. Down a step, back up a step, back up a step, back up a step, down a third, and then up 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. There we go. So we've just got the stems to put in place now. It looks like everything will have the stem going down because they're all either on the line in the middle or above. So it looks like we can have stems going down. There we go, and we'll just put the tempo marking just to be thorough. Okay, and so this last one now, we need the key signature, C, B, just be careful to position those. C, B, A, time signature, rest, and off we go. So we're looking for the G above middle C. So C, E, G takes us there. Need a ledger line for that. C, D, E, F, G, that's it. Down a fifth, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 should take us to middle C. That's correct. Up a step, oh sorry, repeat the note, and then up a step, down a third, which should take us to middle C, that's correct. Up a fourth, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, there we go. Same note, that will be tied. Down a step, down a step, back up a step, up a step, up a step, and that should have taken us right back to where we started, so that's correct. Down a third, and then up a fourth, 1, 3, 4, that's it, there we go. And so just the stems now. By all means use a ruler, just trying to be quick here for you. And last little bit, we'll put the tempo marking, and that's the end of that exercise. So I hope that's beneficial to you. I hope you're getting into the hang of this. If you can give me a like, that'd be really encouraging, that'd be fab. And please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Please do visit sharonbale.com and have a browse through all the resource available to you there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.